I'm Lennox Thornswood.
Okay, and how did you hear about the Invention program?
A math teacher at my school.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's cool. How long ago did your math teacher tell you?
2 years ago or so.
2 years ago? So then after your math teacher told you about it, how did you end up getting involved in it? Did you rush down here right away?
Well, my mom just signed up for it online, I think.
Oh, cool. What do you like about coming to the Bakken?
Well, I like that I get to make my own project, which right now is a keyboard, and that I just learn a lot along the way. I don't just make it and then I'm done. I like learn. I've been learning about sound and sound waves and stuff.
And what's your explain what your current project is?
My current project is a keyboard, and right now it has 12 keys, so it's like an octave. And I haven't made the mechanical part of it yet, but I have like the electrical, and I'm tuning it right now. And
oh wow! And how for your current project?
Well, I remember when I did this, I was blanking on what to do as a project. So what I did is I got suggestions, and I said that I liked music, so keyboard.
Okay, so then did someone suggest it to you, or kind of?
Yeah, because I was saying that I like music, and they're like, well, we know people that have kind of made keyboard-like things, and then I just wanted to make a keyboard.
Oh, cool. And how long have you been working on your current project?
Like a year and a half.
A year and a half? Okay.
I think, yeah.
Okay, and what's been the most fun part about working on this project?
Well, we've been using an oscilloscope, so it shows us the waves, and that's been really fun. It's like a visual for my keyboard.
Wow.
See the notes.
That's cool. And what's been the most challenging part about working on this project?
Just a lot of fine-tuning little things. We want to make the sound wave perfect.
Yeah.
So we've been adjusting it because it's a square wave and we want to make it into a sine wave, so we have to do things to the square wave in order to be able to even start doing that. So
okay. And are there any other projects you'd like to, or you've been thinking about doing after this project? Or do you have any ideas that you keep thinking about that you'd like to visit?
Well, not anything off the top of my head because I've just been really working on this one right now.
Okay. And is there anything else that you'd like to share about your project or your experiences at the Bakken, or?
Well, just that my project's super fun to do because back to I was saying, the oscilloscope, we hook up all these things and then we get to watch all these different things. We've hooked up function generators that make their own notes instead of my keyboard, and just been playing with those so I could understand the basics, and that just was super fun.
Okay, so have you learned a lot while you've been doing this project?
Yes.
Have you learned more than you thought you might while you?
Oh yeah,
really?
I've learned a lot about sound and sound waves.
Nice. Well, thank you, Lennox, and thanks for participating in the Inventors Club.